Hi, I'm Mike with Pace Incorporated here at T Equipment. We are here to go over our Pace MBT350, and I just want to go over some of the features and some of the handpieces that it comes with. A workhorse in the electronics manufacturing industry. This is our TD100 soldering iron. This comes with the MBT350 and has over 140 different tips available. The MT100 is our mini tweezer and is specific for SMT component removal. And this SX100 is our desoldering handpiece for removing through-hole soldering and SMT cleanup and component prep. This is sold as a system with all three handpieces included: the TD100, MT100, and SX100. Purchase the MBT350 by visiting tequipment.net or call in and talk to a product expert. It is a 3-channel rework system that is capable of handling soldering, tweezers, desoldering,